Hey, lovely. So I wanted to share another um, feature that I think a lot of people don't realize exists in ChatGPT. It's not exactly a new feature, um, but it's the branching feature, which I love. And if your brain goes a million places like mine, and as you read stuff, you're like, ooh, here's an idea. And you're normally having to like take notes to start a new chat. Once you get through the chat that you're working on, you're gonna love it. So and we're gonna ask like, what are some new features? I'm just gonna start a new chat, right? And I'm just gonna show you how this works. So we'll wait for that to generate here. So these are some of the new features. And let's say we were really excited about the ChatGPT Pulse, right? Like I don't really know what that is because I just heard about it just now, but that's okay. So you're going to come down to these three dots here, and I'm going to say branch into a new chat, right? And what the branching is going to do is it's going to take everything in the chat up to that point, and it's going to open into a new chat so that we can continue the conversation. And here's where I'm going to be like, tell me about GPT Pulse. And we'll let that generate, and it's going to start to tell you, right? But if you come down here, you're going to see that's the only thing that I don't like right now about the branching is you're going to have two chats that are named the same thing. So as soon as I start a new chat that's branched out, I go here and rename it right away. So we're going to call this chat GPT Pulse. Enter that. And so here it's telling me what that feature is, right? And I'll probably end up making a video about ChatGPT Pulse once I understand what it is because I know about it. But that's the branching, right? And so it's really helpful for, at least for me, whenever I'm really deep into a conversation and some cool idea comes up and is suggested, and my mind is like, ooh, and we can do this with it, and we can do this with it, and like, it's running a mile a minute. That's when I would normally go ahead and like branch out and start asking those questions. So I don't lose them later, right? I don't know if you're that person where it's like you'll have 50 million ideas, but if you don't write them down or don't act on them accordingly, like everything will just be gone 10 minutes from now. You're like, I have no idea. It didn't stick. Um, so that's the branching feature. I love it. And if you were that person who kind of rabbit holes and you're like, crap, this chat is like full of all these different things now because I've had 50 million ideas and I have to, like, I want to chat more about each of them. You don't have to have that messy conversation chat anymore. You can just branch out. So that's branching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.